Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get voice chat on Roblox. Let's get started. Make sure your account is 30 or older. 13 make sure your account is 13 or older. Go to settings from the right side, then click settings. From account information, check your birth date. Next, verify your identity with the government issued ID. Go to settings, then uh, click account information. Verify your account and follow the steps. Use your phone to scan your ID and face. Once verified, go to settings and click privacy and content restriction, then click communication section. Now here you can see a voice chat under party tab, then click voice chat, then turn on the enable voice chat switch. You are now ready to talk in supported games. That's it. You have got voice chat in Roblox. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.